Rusty, Tuesday.
Are you sick?
Amy?
Andrew. Doc?
Andrew.
Doc?
Andrew!
Ow! Ow! Oh, that's really hot.
Oh, I thought it was, oh good, I thought it was thorny.
Thorny? Do you have a thermometer with you? Yep. Okay.
Andrew! Andrew!
Oh! Oh, that's not good. What do we got? 109.2. Yeah,
Andrew!
I think there's only one thing that gets a fever that high.
Achoo! Ow.
Or sneezing that violent. Are you okay?
I'm fine! I got the campfire!
He's got chicken fever. He's got chicken fever. Chicken fever. Jerry, you have chicken fever.
What?
Chicken fever, man! Chicken fever!
Since when?
Since,
Achoo! Ow.
about 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Oh dear!
Well, we better
We don't have much
quick.
time, do we, Doc?
Absolutely. We got a medical opinion. He doesn't have much time. So,
Hey there, staff! You're some real cool cats! You got a lot of this and you got a lot of that! And we all think that you're real neat! So come on down to the chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head right, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Hey there, sugar night! Hey, you're some real cool cats! You got a lot of this and you got a lot of that! And we all think that you're real neat! So come on down to the chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head right, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head right, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Hey there, Crocky! You're some real cool cats! You got a lot of this and you got a lot of that! And we all think that you're real neat! So come on down to the chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head left, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head right, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Hey there, Shrimp 76! You're some real cool cats! You got a lot of this and you got a lot of that! And we all think that you're real neat! So come on down and do the chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken! Head up, chicken chicken!
I'm going up there and you're going.
Head up, chicken chicken!
I'm going up.
Head right, chicken chicken! Chicken chicken!
Hey, Jack!
Stoner was my
Man, he's so bad.
Where am I?
hello, human.
Oh, hey, Bart, how you doing?
Hello. So I heard that all these other humans over here. Apparently, you guys you want to wish.
Yeah.
You found all those sacred artifacts that I tried so hard to hide.
Yeah, so
That's kind of mean of you.
where'd everyone else go?
You're a jerk.
I'm a jerk.
You're a jerk.
Okay, but I don't know where everyone else went. Where did everyone else go? Oh, okay. Okay.
Don't ask. So yeah, what's your wish? Come on, let's get
Okay.
let's get on with this. What do you want?
I
What do you
left
want?
my sink on. I gotta go home and turn it off.
So you want me to turn your sink off?
No, I want to go home and I'll turn the sink off.
You want me
That
to
way
turn
I
your
can
sink
prepare.
off?
Yeah. No, I turn the sink off.
So you stay
Yeah.
here forever. I go home.
No,
And I drink all your Mountain Dew.
You don't have any Mountain Dew. Oh yeah, I'll bring my brother home too, Bishop. Addison can stay. We don't care about him.
He's the penguin one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, he seems like he was enjoying it here anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, well, in that case, let me think. You want to go home and turn your sink off. That's all you want home?
Yeah.
You don't want to see your family?
My family is at home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I can do that for you.
You can? Yeah.
Yes.
Finally, that's over here.
My home?
Oh man, you got your wish. This
Yeah.
is so lame. Why? How is this lame? We're home. Oh, the sink, the sink.
Bishop, honey, did you want those grilled cheese now?
No, Mom, Hot Pockets.
All right.
Where'd my shoes go? Mom, I need more shoes.
Yeah, he needs more shoes.
Honey, we can't afford new shoes.
Okay.
You want
Can I have one of yours?
Wait, did she say Mountain Dew?
Yeah, Mom, can we get some Mountain Dew?
Yeah, get some Mountain Dew.
You throw it down.
Mom, this is voltage
God.
again.
Again? It's empty.
Mom.
Come on.
Mom's lame.
It's time for baseball practice. Come on.
Come on, you messed everything up.
Come on, honey, I love you.
Okay, still not sure what that is. You guys doing good? Yeah! Well, that was kind of lame. I said, are you guys doing good? That's better. Well, you guys made my job easy this week by doing all of the work for me. So thanks for that. Anyways, now I get Troop 298 with Bear Grylls, Troop 76 with Stick, and Troop 8 with Raisins. Backstage, go.
Oh, pterodactyls! Get out of here! Go back to their fossils!
What happened to the pine cone sacrifice? Oh no, the fire. Get the lighter, please. Get the kerosene. It should be like it should be like a lighted too. Yeah.
Where's that pterodactyl? I want that pterodactyl steak. Where did it go? Where did it go?
The raptors are back too!
Lights.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hello, my name is Bill Wilson. Today, we're looking for the Girl Scouts selling the poisonous cookies.
Whoa. I want to be Bear Grylls.
No, I'm Bill Wilson.
Why do you get to be Bear Grylls?
Because I'm Bill Wilson.
You're wrong. Come on. The Girl Scouts are poison.
No, the cookies poison.
No. The Girl Scouts inject the poison into the cookies.
No, the cookies are why would Girl Scouts be poisonous?
Come on. Really?
No, it's
No,
the
I'm
cookies.
Bear Grylls.
Wait, is that a Girl Scout?
No, let's go.
Oh.
What do you think? What do you think?
No, what do you think?
No one cares. You're holding a stick.
Well, it's cookies, I'm sorry.
No, it's not. It's not.
Dude, why would you... That's this guy. Hey, what do you think? Cookies poisonous or Girl Scouts poisonous?
Yeah, janitor.
I just worked.
Well, I think it's cookies.
No, it's not.
It's not, it has to be cookies.
No, come on.
Would you like to buy some Girl Scout cookies?
Girl Scout!
Yeah, I'll have some of them Girl Scouts.
That's our janitor on the seat.
Stand right there.
Mitchell.
I'm handicraft.
I might like that the best. I want the June guys on the stage. The June book thing is
Hello, you ready? I'm handicapped. Oh my God,
also the barn. Beautiful.
We're just filming the episode of Scary Mall.
Oh yeah. We're gonna send it for the TV show.
Alright, so you want to get rolling?
Yeah, go ahead. Stay right there.
So,
Alright, today on Scouting in the Wild, we are looking for the white rhino of Africa. Oh my god, there it is. It's right here. Get back. Don't get attacked. You see how it has a very dangerous horn. I'm gonna poke it with a stick. Oh god. So, my last episode, I poked a rhino. Wasn't the smartest thing I did, but it's gonna get a little bit weirder. This episode, we're in Alaska, and we're looking for a grizzly. Wonder where it is. You see it? There it is. It's right there. Are you getting this? Get back, it's gonna get you. Hardfish! See his very dangerous teeth and those paws that knock a man's head off? I'm gonna poke it with a stick.
Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus.
So, now that you've seen some episodes of my show, you know that I do dangerous things. But nothing comes close to what I'm about to do today. I'm looking for the dangerous, the horrific Scoutmaster.